Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili sauce for siomai. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need 1 cup of dried chilies, half a cup of garlic, and 1/4 cup of ginger. Don't forget half a cup of water and 1/4 cup of cooking oil. For seasoning, grab 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get started on the base. Begin by soaking your dried chilies in hot water for about 15 minutes. This helps them soften up nicely. Once soft, drain them and combine with the garlic and ginger in a blender. Add half a cup of water and blend until you achieve a smooth paste. Next, heat 1/4 cup of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat, preparing for the next step. With your oil hot, carefully add the blended chili paste to the pan. Stir continuously to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. You'll want to cook this mixture for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the oil begins to separate from the paste and the color deepens. This indicates the flavors are developing beautifully. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of sugar to balance the taste. Continue to simmer the sauce for another 5 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld together perfectly. Taste and adjust the seasoning if necessary, adding a pinch more sugar or soy sauce to suit your preference. Once satisfied, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely before serving alongside your delicious siomai. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the links in the description below. Enjoy your homemade chili sauce.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.